What's up, ninjas? What is going on? What is going on? Got a whole another video for you here today, and this one is a little bit different than usual. This one, we're gonna be working with a whole lot of snow. Over here, it's over a foot long, or I should say foot deep. Right here, we've got probably another 2-3 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and use this snow shovel. It's a 27-inch by steel core. Never used this before, so I'm not really sure how it will do. Never really snowplowed before neither. We don't really get this down in the south, but figure I'd make a video for you ninjas. And it is, I think they said almost -20 with the wind chill, so it's really, really cold. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and set you ninjas up somewhere, and let's see how this shovel does. Hope you ninjas enjoy something a little different. Let's get to it. I think it's just the part that it's cold. So if you're in this business, you're up north, really just dress warm, what I would say. And of course, with the shovel, it'll take longer than if you just had a plow system on your truck. I think I'm gonna need like a harder shovel or something, because right around here is so compact. It's actually almost turned into like hard rock dirt, because I think the concrete drops off a little. But I got this area pretty good, so I think I'm gonna go get another shovel, a real metal shovel, and then break this up. Can this be done with just a you know, a snow shovel? Yes, it can. I'm not in this business because, as I mentioned, down in the south we don't really get this amount of snow, and I don't have any equipment for it. But I think a lot of you guys are using you know, snow plows and stuff, because at the end of the day you want to make it easier on yourself and the time, man. Can this be done with this? Of course it can, but timing, everything is timing, which is very similar to cutting grass. What's up?
You missed a spot.
Where did I miss a spot? Tell me.
How am I supposed to get the garbage in?
Oh, okay. So what do you do here? Because the snow is really...
Well, that's like... the guy before you. He missed all that.
Oh.
It's really hard to get good service. You got to go all the way to Tennessee to find someone that can handle this crap.
Okay. All right. Do you use the other metal shovel or what? It's really compact.
Yeah, you got to use the metal
Break
shovel.
it up, because this one is not working for that. Does the concrete also a little bit drop off there or something?
Yes, it does.
That's what I figured. But it did a really good job here. I mean, I didn't really have a problem until I got to that area. I mean, this is over here about a foot of snow, if not more.
Oh, it's more. It's about 2 feet.
2 feet? Yeah.
So we get all the drifts here. I get off of about 12,000 square feet of roof snow blows in here.
Oh, man.
Sometimes I've had drifts up to higher than this door.
Holy cow. Wow. And this is what you have to do every time before you go out, and yeah. And you ever thought about investing in a small snow plow blower, or?
Thought about it,
but never really.
Not really.
Yeah.
I can usually find some sucker will come here and shovel it by hand.
How long have you had that shovel?
Oh, it's probably older than you are.
Really? That long? It's
no, probably about 20 years.
Well, that's still long, and it's still holding up pretty good.
Yeah, you know,
I mean,
definitely used to have more of a curve to it.
Okay. All right. Now, if someone didn't have a four-wheel drive on this, there's no way they'd be getting out, right?
When I first was here, I had a two-wheel drive, and I only went through one winter with that, and it's been 4x4 ever since. You got to have a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, otherwise it's impossible.
Everyone that has garages over here has 4-wheel drive trucks.
Didn't you say a FedEx truck once got stuck here just the other day? Last week?
Yep, right there.
2-wheel drive?
Yeah, I get cars stuck here all the time.
So ninjas, you've seen me clean out this driveway yesterday, I believe, and it's only been about not even 24 hours, I guess, and we're getting ready to open this garage door, and let's see what it looks like right now. Talk about being snowed in. Yeah, this is definitely being snowed in. So I guess this is what you call a blizzard. And if I sound funny, it's because I have my face mask on as well with this wind and how cold it is. You want to try to protect as much as you can of your skin. So I'll have some footage for you ninjas as I did yesterday. There's going to be 2 of us today, and it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but more than yesterday. But I think it'll be fun too. So this is what we have to do, ninjas, just to get the trash out. And look how much has already fallen down already in this area. I mean, look at that. So it's continuing to come down, but we got to keep this somewhat under control, because if we don't, it's going to be really bad by morning. Because right now I think it's midnight, and we got to be able to get the truck out so we can go about our day tomorrow. I'm not really sure.
We have about 20 of these lined up tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, right, like lawn care. I don't know how this ninja plans to plow through the alley here. I guess it'll be with the truck. I don't know. So stay tuned for that. That'll be interesting. It's kind of like lawn care, ninjas. It definitely is kind of like lawn care. It's all about, you know, if this is something I would be doing, let's say, for a living, and you know, you're trying to wonder how to quote this, I would go about it basically depending on what kind of equipment I have, which is the same as lawn care. If you're just working with push mowers, you know, it's going to take you longer. If you're just working with shovels, it's going to take you
just talking.
Yeah. It's going to take you longer. But if you have 0 turns, you got sit down mowers, stand on mowers, you know, it'll go a lot faster compared to a push mower. Same thing, you know, shovels or plows or snow blowers. but it's a bigger investment, more money, so you're gonna have to charge more. But yeah, we're pretty buried, ninjas. This ninja's brought a shovel back. He's gonna try to get some snow out and get some traction going. So let's see what happens. He's stuck pretty good in there. He's rocking it. He might actually get it. There he goes. All right, so while he's digging a little bit more, let me show you the neighborhood here. Look at that. This whole neighborhood is freaking covered. By the way, ninjas, see, if you want dry feet, what I did, and I have no issues, I put a pair of socks on, then I put a regular grocery store plastic bag over it, and then I put another pair of socks. So pair of socks, plastic bag, pair of socks, and my feet are actually dry. So just a quick little tip that I have learned to keep your feet dry. Anyway, as you can see, the whole neighborhood is pretty much complete silence. Not a single person out here except these two crazy ninjas. But this has to be done, as I mentioned earlier. Otherwise, we're going to be completely stuck tomorrow, and we're going to lose all day of trying to get out of here. This way, it'll create some traction, it'll pack the snow down, and we'll be able to get out. So, enough of the footage. I'm going to go help him, but I wanted to show you a quick neighborhood. And then as he gets out or gets ready to get out, I'll try to record. Oh, maybe he's done. Are you done?
I'm going forward, but just...
Okay, I'm staying back here.
Yeah.
Okay. So just to conclude the video, ninjas, for tonight, we got the truck unstuck. So we'll see how it looks in the morning. I will keep you posted. We'll continue this video. But as you can see, it's already coming down really fast. Current situation the next day. As you can see, more snow came down. Glad we did all that last night, because we'd be working with that. I mean, this over here is buried. I'm gonna try to get somehow over there, but it is so deep. But look at those freaking, look at that ice frozen and just hanging down in the air. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick update. That is what we're doing. Hope all you ninjas are having a good day. Whoa, yourself. Stay safe out there if you're working with this stuff. It's super fun and beautiful, but it's very dangerous too.
Saving green. Saving green.